In a major strategic step to expand trade connectivity, India is preparing to dispatch its first cargo shipment to Russia through the Northern Sea route next year. The initiative follows high-level bilateral discussions aimed at tapping into the economic potential of the Arctic shipping corridor. By utilizing this route, maritime transit distances between Asia and Europe could be reduced by up to 40% compared to traditional channels. Heart Aerospace's X-1 demonstrator completed its maiden flight at Plattsburgh International Airport, becoming the largest battery-electric aircraft ever flown. Featuring a 106-foot wingspan and exceeding 25,000 pounds, the aircraft executed a 27-minute piloted test, including 8 airborne minutes. Remarkably, the all-electric flight consumed roughly $5 in electricity, underscoring the potential for dramatically reduced operating costs. Proving electric aviation at commercial airliner scale, this historic flight accelerates development of Hertz ES-30, a 30-seat hybrid electric regional airliner scheduled for commercial service in 2031. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved 4 major multi-tracking railway projects worth 9,450 crore rupees. Spanning 410 kilometers across West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, the expansion aims to ease network congestion, boost operational efficiency, and significantly improve both passenger connectivity and regional freight movement along India's vital East Coast corridor. In a major boost to India's defence self-reliance, BEML Limited has successfully developed an indigenous high-performance engine series ranging from 75 horsepower to 750 horsepower. Engineered for tactical vehicles and heavy-duty military trucks, the engines feature 97% domestic content. This milestone significantly strengthens national defence readiness while advancing the Government of India's Make in India initiative. In a major push toward energy self-reliance, the Union Cabinet has approved the National Offshore Exploration Scheme, titled Samudra Manthan, with an outlay of 84,084 crore rupees. The initiative focuses on 2 core pillars: extensive seismic data acquisition, processing, and interpretation to map untapped reserves, alongside accelerated offshore exploration, shared infrastructure, and domestic manufacturing support to significantly scale up India's deepwater drilling capabilities. Israeli warplanes executed a targeted military operation striking the Abu al-Duhur airbase in northwestern Syria. The pre-dawn strikes aim to neutralize emerging security threats and protect northern border integrity following reports of changing tactical movements at the facility. Sources confirmed heavy damage to key infrastructure, including the primary runway and logistics facilities. While defense analysts warn the event risks heightening regional tensions, Israeli authorities emphasized that operations will persist wherever national security parameters are breached.